In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Xero accounting software. Now, this might surprise you, but the truth is you don't actually install Xero the traditional way. There's no software package to download, no setup wizard to run, and nothing to install on your computer. Xero is completely cloud-based, which means it runs directly in your web browser. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started with Xero properly, how to create your account, and how to begin using it in less than a few minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type in xero.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Xero website. Always make sure you're on the correct website to keep your information secure. Now here's the key thing to understand. Xero is cloud-based accounting software. That means it runs entirely online. There is nothing to download or install on your Windows PC or Mac. As long as you have an internet connection and a browser, you can access your accounting system from anywhere. This also means your data is automatically saved in the cloud, securely stored, and accessible across devices. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll see options like Try Xero for free or Log in. If you're brand new, go ahead and click on Try Xero for free. This will begin the account creation process. If you already have an account, simply click Log in and enter your credentials. For new users, you'll be asked to create your account. Start by entering your email address. Make sure you use an email you have access to, because Xero will likely send you a verification message. Next, create a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, select your country or region. This is important because Xero customizes tax settings, currency, and compliance features based on your location. Once you've filled in these details, follow the prompts to continue. You may be asked a few additional questions about your business, such as your business name, industry, and whether you're setting up Xero for yourself or for clients. Fill in the required information and proceed to the next step. Once your account setup is complete, that's it. You are now inside Xero. There is no installation process beyond this. The dashboard will load directly in your browser, and you can immediately start setting up your chart of accounts, connecting your bank feeds, creating invoices, adding bills, or inviting your accountant. If you ever want to access Xero again, simply go back to xero.com and click Log in. Enter your email and password, and you'll be right back in your dashboard. You can also use Xero on different devices, including tablets and smartphones, by logging in through a browser or downloading the official mobile app from your app store. One of the biggest advantages of cloud-based software like Xero is automatic updates. You never need to worry about downloading the latest version. Xero updates automatically in the background, so you're always using the newest features and security improvements. So to quickly recap, go to xero.com, click Try Xero for free or Log in, create your account with your email, password, and country, and start using Xero instantly in your browser. No downloads, no installations, and no complicated setup. If this video helped you understand how to install and start using Xero accounting software, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.